Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Geode and Geometry Dash. Just before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, there are 4 simple steps to do this. First step is basically right over here. I made this image. As you can see, you have to go ahead and check for the latest update on GOD version. Now, step 2 is basically check Geometry Dash version. You must be compatible with your Steam as well, as sometimes they don't sync in with each other. Go ahead and sync that out. And now step 3 is remove any conflicting mods. Now what I recommend is basically remove all the mods that you currently have and keep the mods that you want to use currently on your game. Once you do that, that'll make a confirmation that you have a really conflicting mod on the game together with a new one with GOD. Now next is basically, if none of those works, reinstall GOD entirely. Go ahead and uninstall and reinstall it back on the game, basically, and then restart your game, and it should be working fine. Basically, that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.